What does NFL player tracking data reveal about route running? Imagine watching a game and wondering how players seem to find open space so effortlessly. Well, behind the scenes, a lot of that comes from detailed tracking data. This data captures every move a player makes during a game, including their location, speed, and direction, multiple times each second. It's like having a GPS for every player on the field. By analyzing this data, we can see exactly how a receiver runs their routes. We know the start and end points, the shape of the route, and how they change speed or direction along the way. This helps analysts understand not just where players go, but how well they execute their routes. It's more precise than just watching film or relying on traditional statistics. One key thing tracking data reveals is how effective a route is. For example, by combining tracking data with whether the pass was caught or not, we can measure things like catch probability or how many yards a receiver gains after catching the ball. We can even estimate how open a receiver was at the moment the quarterback threw the ball, which helps show how well the route created separation. Tracking data also measures how much space a receiver creates from defenders during the route. It shows the distance between the receiver and the closest defender at every moment. This helps us see which receivers are good at creating separation and how they do it, whether through quick cuts or speed bursts. Speed and acceleration data tell us how fast a receiver runs their cuts and how quickly they get out of breaks. This timing is vital because a well-timed route can make all the difference in completing a pass. Routes run with good timing tend to lead to higher completion rates and more successful plays. When we look at multiple games, we can build detailed profiles for each player. These profiles show which routes they run best, how deep they usually target the ball, and how they perform against different types of coverage. Coaches and teams use this info to plan better plays and improve player skills. Advanced models can score routes based on various factors like catch percentage, yards gained, and contested catches. These scores help teams see which routes and players are most effective in different situations. They can even adjust these models to focus on what's most important for their game plan. Teams use this data to refine their play designs and improve timing between quarterbacks and receivers. They can identify which routes work best against certain defenses and which players excel in specific situations. Player scouting also benefits from this data because it offers objective measures of route running that go beyond simple catches or yards. In the end, NFL player tracking data shows us the detailed mechanics behind route running. It captures how players move, how well they create separation, and how successful their routes are. This information helps teams make smarter decisions and helps players improve their craft.